Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome back to another stream. First, can you see and can you hear me? Today, we're going to try out a new streaming software called Ecamm Live. And yeah, it's the first time I'm using it, so I really want to make sure everything is working correctly here. So, first thing, let's try to bring up a comment. Yeah, check. So this is working. I think Chester says that everything sounds good. No man liked the intro. Thank you very much. I was practicing this a lot. I hope it worked out as expected because I didn't see it exactly while I was sitting in the back, but I'm going to give it a look. Loud and clear by Nuffel. Nice to have you here too. Okay, that's cool. So it seems sound is working, video is working. I can add some comments here. I think, yeah, I can also change them, increase the size and stuff like that. So, yeah, so what is the stream about? So, as you might know, I was streaming with StreamYard since January. And it's really great because it's so easy to use, to start, to begin with. Everything is inside the browser, so this means no performance issues on your side. So this is different today, so I'm very interested in how this stream will affect my machine, especially then with maybe PHP Storm together. But yeah, as I mentioned, StreamYard, really great software, but you have some limits. So first, it's all just in the web, so you can add some overlays, you can bring in some images, but all of these things are limited. And also one big thing is the latency of YouTube streams. So we have a latency of about 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds with StreamYard, because through StreamYard we can't change this, but you can if you stream directly to YouTube. So I think the first check here is, yeah, how is the latency? I changed it to low. So let's see what low means. Thanks, I love that background too. Hello, Diana. Nice to have you here too. So yeah, our famous latency check. I'm going to say now, and then the next time you hear it, you're going to tell me when you hear it yourself. So we're starting now. Okay, I hope you got it because nobody replied yet. Okay, Nathan and Adrian replied now. Okay, so I think this was still 10 to 15 seconds. So we still have one option to go with ultra low latency, which I think would be the best, but I think this has some side effects on the quality of the video itself. But I really thought with low, we already would be better. So okay, this seems not to be better now. So maybe for the next stream, because I can't change this during a stream, so I have to change this for the next one. Okay, so first check here. Let me check this off here. 10 to 15 seconds. Sad smiley. Okay. Or should we go? Should we try again? Yeah, okay, let's try again. So again, the moment that I say now, you should need to write it in the comments. And it all starts now. Okay, I think it was a little better, but I think there's something we can do here. Let me check. That's, yeah, this one here. Stopwatch. Oh yeah, this looks good. So let me check. Can I reset this? Yes, I can. Okay, let's try this again now. I'm now with a clock showing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now. So now we all see the seconds. So let's see. Yeah, so we're still above 10 seconds. Okay. So this means low latency. Yeah, okay, around 15 seconds is what we have here. Okay, so that's pretty much the same that we had with StreamYard. And there was one questions here. Yeah, but Abra Ahmed. Oh, okay, that's unfortunate. I need to resize this. How can I do this? I can't move it. Damn it. Okay, that's because I changed it. Can I change it here? Yeah, let's try this one. Oh, wow. How can I grab it here? Because the handles to change the command are right outside. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, I hope I don't have to change this now for every command. So why some people here now before me? Yeah, so this definitely depends on your internet connection and probably a few other things. So yeah, during a lot of streams we had like gaps from 10 to 15 depending on the people. So for sure it's different from you to someone else. Okay, what else can we do? Yeah, so one thing, so I have a lot of windows around here. Not sure if you've seen this on Twitter itself because I posted a screenshot, but I think I can add this here too. Let's try to make a screenshot so I can show you what I see here. And now let's bring this in. Yeah, here we go. So this is currently what I see here now on my second screen, which is myself, and then the comments here on the right top, and then below I have a few other pop-up windows here by Ecamm where I can do here a lot of other stuff, which I still all have to figure out myself. But yeah, as you can see, it's already quite more complicated than StreamYard, but it also provides more features and possibilities for myself. As a view, you can skip the buffer by switch playback speed. I have no idea what you mean, Adrian, what this means. As a viewer, you can skip the buffer by switch. Oh, okay. As a viewer, you can change some settings. Okay, that's interesting. And then you're going to see stuff earlier than others. Diana is already bored here. Sorry, Diana. This is not a entertaining stream. This is more an educational or a technical test stream for myself. Okay, Adrian just approved this. So as a viewer, you can skip the buffer by switch playback speed to 2 times. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, go and try this out and let me know what this changes for you. Okay, what else do we have here? Yeah, as you have seen in the intro, I have so-called scenes prepared already. So I can easily go back to this kind of scene where I have some image, some text, and also having some background music, also this countdown. The music is already tied to the scenes, and yeah, then this is the one scene where I show myself, and then I don't have music anymore. So yeah, for me that's pretty cool because I don't have to handle the music myself anymore and can just adapt it to the different scenes. So that's a good question. Does this replace OBS? So I've been using StreamYard before, so I haven't used OBS, but I think it's pretty similar to OBS. Or I think there's also a difference between OBS and OBS Streamlabs. I think so. I haven't used Streamlabs myself or OBS myself, so I can't tell for sure. But I think there's also a difference. But yeah, basically, this is a software that runs on my Mac directly, like OBS or OBS Streamlabs. So this means this software is now streaming or sending directly to YouTube, and then YouTube is going to make the stream. Okay, it seems the music was a bit too loud. Yeah, so maybe I have to adapt that a little bit. So I think this was the intro music that you meant, right? Yeah, I think that's the only one that I showed. Intro music too loud. Yeah, that's always difficult to adapt because I don't hear it myself what you hear, so I have to always go back to the stream and see how the music was and then adapt it to that. So that's the same thing that I'm going to do today. After the stream, I'm just checking it out myself and then also make my opinion about it. But yeah, it could be that it was too loud. Then also what I have, I think I can show you. Okay, yeah, this is how I can share my screen, but I have a specific scene for this as well. Yeah, here we go. So, am I muted? No. Okay, I just got an alert message that something was muted, but yeah, this is now the scene. So it's called a scene in Ecamm Live, where I'm going to share my screen, and I have this little rectangle here, or this little circle here for myself, and I can change this to anything I like, but yeah, I think the round one is pretty cool, and this is for sure much better than what we have with StreamYard, because with StreamYard we have my image and then the shared screen side by side, and this took away a little bit of the screen. Now having this overlay of myself, I think is much better. Okay, what else? Yeah, you can also hear probably a little bit of music in the background. Again, I have to check about the volume again, but yeah, this is also nice. You can automatically tell during coding, during sharing the screen, to show some music, for example. So that's what I like so far. And yeah, the top right here, you can see the watermark. I haven't paid for it yet, but I think the costs are pretty similar to Stream. I think around $50 per month, which is, yeah, it's a little bit of money, but if you stream like everything, yeah, I would easily pay for a good software. And I'm already paying for StreamYard, so why not paying for something else instead as well. Okay, that's good to know. So during the music, you almost couldn't hear myself. Yes, I definitely have to adapt this for sure. So music is way too loud. So do you currently also mean the current music that you hear? I think you mean the current music as well. So let's bring this up here. Yeah, so the current music is too loud. Okay, that's good to know. So let me try to change this now. So this is connected. Oh yeah. Okay, let me know if this is better now. I changed it now to 5% from 15. I'm really wondering if there is a good way so that I can hear the sound like you do. Maybe I need to plug in some kind of phones and need to find this out myself so that I don't have to ask yourself every time. Okay, this seems to be better now. Everybody is agreeing here. Okay, that's nice. Okay, what else do we have? Yeah, also some kind of funny features. I can create some new scenes with a cropped image of the camera. So for example, like this one, you can see now compared to this one without sharing the screen. Yeah, so here we go. So I can create some custom scenes from the current image, like cropping or zooming with the camera. And yeah, this could provide some different scenes, and this could give a little bit refreshing image if you want to present something, for example. You could also adjust this so that it changes like every 10 or 30 seconds or something, which I think is also quite nice. Oh yeah, that's also interesting. I could test it by using another device to listen to the stream. Let's do this right now. Okay, now that's the perfect spot not to test because I don't hear any music yet. So let's bring the music back in. Oh, that's super strange watching myself. It's like I'm in the future and this dude here is in the past. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah. That's funny. And I need to mute myself from the past. Yeah, you should. It's really nice, especially if you want to do some custom stuff. Like the intro that I did was not possible because I just added a timer to a specific scene at the beginning, so that after the countdown, a specific another theme is being triggered. And because I was sitting in the back and I couldn't click anything myself, so yeah, I think this was pretty cool. Can I stream in 4K? I think it's possible with Pro version from what I've seen. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's possible. I don't think that you can stream on YouTube in 4K currently, or I think only specific YouTubers from what I know, but I'm not sure about this. So what else? Let's change this a little bit here. Maybe let's go back to this screen. Yeah. Could you test it? But I think we heard this already. I think that's the one. It's good to know about tad louder. You're understandable, but the music gets a little bit too much attention at this volume. A tad lower. Oh, okay. So that's what you said. Yeah, that's what most people are often saying. They want to have it a little bit lower. So I need to change this. So, but currently I have to change this on every song that I edit. So I need to find a way to make this, because I have this kind of folder with some songs which are now being played randomly in a loop. And maybe I can do this on the folder itself. So I have to check this. This gets on my notes. Folder volume. Yeah, so I only used it once for a conference call where I had no idea of it, and the people there just told me what I had to do in order to make my talk, but I haven't used it myself. And from what I know is, or what my impression was, that it's pretty complicated, complex. You have put in a lot of effort for simple things to work. At least that's how I saw it currently. And with Ecamm, I think it's a little bit in between something like StreamYard and OBS from my first impression. So you still have a lot of stuff you can adjust, still a lot you can do, but the easy things are still easy and simple to do. So for example, I can here schedule a YouTube live stream right from the tool and stuff like that. So I don't think this is possible with OBS, maybe with OBS Streamlabs. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the first one that I actually tried myself. Very bothersome to invite guests. Yeah, so with the Pro version, it seems to be possible to invite guests too. So that's also very important to me because, yeah, we also have some occasional calls like with Freak or other people where we want to, yeah, bring other people in. And I think it's possible, but I haven't used it yet. Video quality seems to be nice. Okay, I'm very happy about that. Thanks for the feedback. Yeah, thanks for joining. See you around. Freak, have a nice day. So the Streamlabs version of OBS solves a lot of that for you, but as Freak said, for your casual artisan calls, yeah, it would be harder to use. Yes, it would be interesting to see what are exactly the differences between Streamlabs, OBS Streamlabs, and Ecamm Live. So I might need to check this out in the future and to yeah, see what will be the next software, because I think I'm going away from StreamYard. So it's really nice, but yeah, I'm at a point where I want to customize my stream a little bit better, and I think it's not possible with StreamYard at the moment. And also they don't have support for Stream Deck, which I have now. It's sitting here, and now I have here buttons to do stuff like playing some little bit of sound effects and stuff like that. And switching scenes I can also do with the Stream Deck. So yeah, that's really nice. And unfortunately, you can't do this currently with StreamYard. But they said they're going to work on this, but not sure when this is coming. Okay, yeah, one other disadvantage of Ecamm Live, or the change from StreamYard to Ecamm. So technically I can stream on YouTube and Twitch like I did before with StreamYard. So the thing is, you can stream to multiple platforms, but it only works with Ecamm Live when you use Restream, which is another web-based streaming tool, so similar to StreamYard. So this means I think in order to make it work, I need to create a new account for Restream and then use it with Ecamm Live. And then again, I have the issue that the stream is being broadcast through another platform, and this also means I can't adjust like things like low latency on YouTube and those things, from what I know. So I'm not sure if I want to do this, and yeah, I'm now thinking about if it really makes sense for me to stream on YouTube and Twitch. So yeah, I have to check with people what they think if I don't stream on Twitch anymore, if it's okay for them. Because yeah, for me it feels like more and more people are using YouTube also for gaming stuff, so, and coding stuff for sure. So I'm not sure if it really makes sense to stay on both platforms, especially when I now stream to both. It will also be more performance heavy for sure. I did indeed. Gotcha, I found one. So now we can use this every time we need it, which I love. So what else to mention here? Let me check. Maybe let's bring up PHP Storm. Switching here to my shared. Okay, that's interesting. I'm now switched back to the shared screen, and now the old comments are still here. So I wouldn't do this if I was stream Ecamm Live. Yeah, but maybe in some occasions it might make sense. So let's bring in here full screen, and let's also check the activity monitor. So what's going on here? Let's start with CPU. Yeah, so Ecamm is now using around 65% of CPU, which is here quite a lot. But I haven't noticed anything that, anything is low or slow currently. Yeah, memory is also taking a lot by Ecamm Live and by PHP Storm, of course, but yeah, let's try to do some stuff here. Let's run all the tests, for example. It might be a little bit slower than usual, but I can't actually tell, so I guess I need to try this out in a real stream where I'm going to code for quite some time, which is not what I'm going to do today, so I think it looks okay. Maybe better than expected. Oh, our famous troll is here. Kai. Servus. Yeah. Stream troll alert. Speaking of PHP Storm, so glad I met the switch. Oh, I love to hear this, Nathan. So, yeah, it would be really cool to hear. Did you switch from VS Code or Sublime or something else? And how was the switch for you? Was it easier? Did it take you some time? But yeah, it's really nice that my course helped you here. That's of course something that I hear. Yeah, now doing the innocent Kai, which we don't see that often. Okay, what do we have in the meantime? So I'm not sure if anything else I want to test, but of course, let's refresh here. Yes, I am live. We have some upcoming streams. So later today, Jason is going to talk about a new shift from PHP unit to PEST, which I think is pretty nice. And yeah, maybe a lot of people are going to use, since PEST, yeah, is seemingly getting more traction. People really enjoy using it. Then tomorrow, Frake is going to stream about some cool testing techniques. Maybe I'm going to check. When is it? 2 p.m. Yeah, I think I'm going to join for a little bit. Then we have another PEST meetup coming up. Oh yeah, it's going to showcase feature P, which everybody's waiting for. Then Justin, Steven, the king of the babies, has a new stream, Laravel Clean Architecture. This also sounds interesting. When is this? That's also tomorrow. Oh, nice, 3 streams tomorrow. Then on Thursday, another one by Frake. Yeah, so I think he's already promoting his upcoming course, which is, yeah, I think just great, because yeah, everybody needs to test a little bit more, and I think we all are going to benefit from that. And I think it's pretty cool that we're going to have some really cool new testing resources, yeah, from a great perspective, which I think Laravel does really right to, yeah, get people more to testing by, yeah, starting very slow, very simple, and then going step by step to more complex testing topics. Then Leandro is going to talk about Laravel Octane and architecture. That's what I learned what this means with GraphQL. That's on Saturday here, and then next week we are already going to start with the pre-party of the Laracon online summer conference, and also in the night then Nuno and Frake are going to do the after party. And oh yeah, Frake and I also scheduled a new casual artisan call, which is next Friday. Yes. Oh, and we have some more. This is already scheduled for October. Oh, nice. Answering all your questions about testing by Frake. So yeah, that's pretty cool, because we have a lot of upcoming streams, and I'm sure there is something for everyone here. So Nathan was coming from VS Code. Yeah, so the first time you open PHP Storm, it's just so ugly. Yeah. For me, it was really ugly, confusing, and it definitely doesn't felt like an application I want to use because yeah, there are so many things, and it felt yeah really like this monolithic app, like you said, with menus and button everywhere. But yeah, you can make it really clean, and yeah, just the PHP features, like just the refactoring features, are for me worth using PHP Storm. So that's my opinion. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to do today. So we were testing a lot of stuff. Yeah, so I really would like to hear what you think about the new stream. So a few new features here, like the intro. Yeah, we definitely need to talk about the music volume, but also now this new sharing screen with some music in the background and this little rounded avatar. So yeah, I think I can really customize this to a very nice yeah streaming setup for me that I enjoy and you hopefully too. Let me just check again my list. Is there anything else from my side? No. That's it for the stream. Thank you everybody for coming by and helping me test out this stuff together, because yeah, it's much easier doing a live stream with you together than just trying to yeah demo it myself and see if it works. So of course that's not going to work. So I'm very happy that you helped me here, guys. Guys and girls. Yeah, so that's the only thing it seems I'm going to change. Last time, let me switch here my scene here through Stream Deck. Yeah, so thank you everybody for joining again. Thanks for helping me out. I hope I can stream another time this week. I'm quite busy with my Laracon online talk and some client work, but it would be really nice to take those streams to a next level. And of course, we need to work on the design of Laro streamers because there's still a lot to do. So yeah, thank you everybody for joining again, and yeah, see you in the next stream. Bye everyone, have a nice day.